Hello, how's your day? Giantlok is a professional cable ties and wiring equipment brand under the Chiao Fu Group, manufactured by Hua Wei Company. Fastening System, Nylon cable ties, stainless steel ties, Tefzel ties, metal detectable ties, cable clips. Push-in wire connectors are the ultimate solution for efficient and reliable electrical connections in commercial buildings. Twist-on wire connectors, with a non-winged design and variable volume active spring for top electrical performance. For more product, please visit our stores. Portable multi-purpose cable ties holder is the ultimate tool for efficient, on-the-go cable management. Flush-cut cable tie gun, your essential tool for precise cable tie fastening, designed for performance and user comfort. For more product, please visit our stores.